Greetings, and welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. We're doing a series on the miracle signs and wonders performed by Jesus and his disciples, and we're really building our faith as we go through. So if you want to build your faith more, just follow me now. And if you want more people to build for them faith, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with at least one somebody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell, because you're not going to want to miss none of what I'm going right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as gone to Mark chapter 7 from verse 24 to verse 30. After that, Jesus left and go a Tyre area. Him go in a one house and he never want nobody to know same day. But he couldn't hide. One woman in the area did have one little girl picnic with demon did control. Same time she hear about Jesus, she go to him and drop herself at him foot. The woman did talk Greek and she did belong to the Syrophoenician tribe. She begged Jesus to run out the demon out her daughter. But Jesus answered say, make the picnic them eat them belly full fuss. Cause it not right to take the picnic them food and give dog. So she answered him say, Lord, that are true. But even the dog them under the table, nyam the crumbs them we drop from the picnic them. Then Jesus said to her, say, you see, Seka, where you say, you can go on home. The demon gone out of your picnic. When she reached home, she see her picnic lie down on her bed, and the demon gone out her. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.